My name's Derek Rorda. I was the structural engineer for the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures project. This was an amazing project because we got to play 3 different roles. First, we got to play designer. We spent 2 years in schematic design with Renzo Piano Building Workshop trying to figure out what was the most elegant structure or structural system. How should the building touch the ground? How can we make it as elegant as possible? And that process led to the use of base isolation, ultimately, and the form that was eventually constructed. And then our second role was our typical role as structural engineers. How do you design a base isolation system that reduces the base shear sufficiently so that there's no overturning, but that also minimizes the displacements so we can eliminate complexity in how we connect the building to the adjacent parts? How do you design a spherical concrete shell? How do you design a shallow concrete dome that encloses that shell? How do you design connections of bridges that have to move 30 inches in 2 directions, but that are comprised of architecturally exposed steel and glass? And then thirdly, we got to play builder. We worked with the contractor very, very closely. We developed an erection procedure for the entire theater. We designed the shoring system and figured out the loads on each one of the shoring towers. We designed an entire temporary steel structure inside the theater that was erected first so that it could hang precast panels on the outside and be used as a formwork system for the primary shotcrete on the inside. And then lastly, we developed a whole depropping sequence for the shoring towers so they could be removed without hurting the remaining ones and also without hurting the structure that was completed above it. So in all, the project took close to 8 years and was a collaboration with countless people, and I was very proud to be a part of it.